everything's good. Gonna go do a quick bike review, look at the mods, see what I've done so far, and possibly some things in the future. Hopefully we got a good camera angle. Every time I take it off it changes a little bit, so I'm trying to keep it the same all the time. Missed the light. It's a beautiful night out here in Hawaii. Gotta love the weather here. See if there's any wind noise with the visor open. I'll close it now. Get to that light real quick. Let's see. Alright. So this is my 2017 S1000R. I bought it brand new. It was a demo bike, so it's not brand new, but it was never been sold before. It had 299 miles once I got it. I've currently upgraded the levers. I've added the radiator and oil guard protection. I've added a windscreen to it. I added some case savers. I have a MotoDynamic Fender Eliminator. I've installed the Rizoma Elisse mirrors. Love the look of them. Look fantastic. The HP levers I have are powder coated white. See if you can see I have a BMW Motorrad across the radiator protection. This is a Magical Racing carbon fiber windscreen that's got the super coat on this part of the visor. Looks nice, I like it. I do have some engine sliders, or frame sliders rather, but I was having a hard time fitting them. One of the bolts wasn't going flush, and I didn't want to risk having it go in sideways or break off, so I didn't install them all the way. I'll post the brand on the screen to see if you guys have any problems with your 2017 or 2018s either. Got the comfort seat, bought it used. It's much better than the stock seat. Since I live on an island, I don't take a lot of long rides. I do have the eBay cat cover. I don't know if it is, there was no real brand associated with it. So I don't know if it's a copy of the tech bike or not, to be honest. Got spools on the back, they're just red. I've also got the quad lock to hold my cell phone in place. It's great, I love it. Nice sturdy hold on the phone while I'm riding, and it's also a nice case to protect the phone as well. Upgraded the parking lights and the headlights. So these are the parking lights. Put LED W5W bulbs in there to get rid of the yellow look to it. I'll show you with the low beam and the high beam. There's a low beam. Much better output than the stock halogen bulb, in my opinion. There's the high beam. To be honest, the high beam is not that good, and on my bike, the high beam turns off the low beam after about 2 seconds. So I hardly ever use it. Pretty much it. That's everything for my 2017 S1000R. One thing I'd like to do in the future is definitely get the aquapovic headers. I'm going to keep the stock end can. The look of it has kind of grown on me, and I'd like it to be a little bit louder, so getting rid of the cat should help with that. Right, I'm going to go cruise around for a little bit.